Hi friends, welcome you all to Think Maths. We are in class 11 Maths, chapter 6, Permutations and Combinations. In this session, we are going to discuss about exercise 6.4. So there are 9 questions in this exercise. We will be discussing all those 9 questions. So this is about combinations. What we know about combination? So we know the formula for combination. NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. This is the combination formula. Here the first question. If NC8 equal to NC2, find NC2. So they gave an equation. From this equation, we have to find NC2. To find NC2, what we should know? We should know the value of N. Okay. So to know the value of N, we are going to use a concept. What concept? This one. We know that NCA is equal to NCB, then A will be equal to B or A will be equal to N minus B. So if it is this equation, then this will hold. Whether A will be equal to B or A will be equal to N minus B. That is N is equal to A plus B. So this result we already know and we discussed in the introduction. Now we are going to use this. Okay. So this is the known fact. We know that. So what is given? Given NC8 is equal to NC2. What are the two things it holds? A equal to B. Here what is A? A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 2. So is A equal to B? No. So here 8 is not equal to 2. So this does not comes. So this must hold. So A equal to n minus B. So 8 is equal to n minus 2. So this minus 2 when it comes here, it becomes plus 2. So n will be equal to 8 plus 2, it is 10. So we got the value of n. Now we have to find the value of NC2. So it is 10C2. So let us use the formula for NCR. So it is 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 10 minus 2 factorial. So 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 10 minus 2 is 8 factorial. Now, this 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into it goes on till up to 1. This 8 to 1 can be written as 8 factorial because we have the same 8 factorial in the denominator. So, it gets cancelled. So, don't need to expand completely. Stop with 8 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So 8 factorial gets cancelled. This 2 and 10. 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So we have only 5 into 9 which is 45. This is the result. So NC2 is equal to 45. Okay, clear? Yes. So moving on to the second question. Determine n if, so in the second question we have two parts. First part, 2nc3 is to nc3 is equal to 12 is to 1. Okay, we have to find the value of n. So this ratio can be written as 2nc3 divided by nc3 equal to 12 by 1. So this is the ratio in another form. Now we are going to find 2nc3 and nc3 separately. What is 2nc3? So use the formula for combination. It is 2n factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial. So what is 2n factorial? It is 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 and it goes on till 1. So from this we can write factorial as we have the same in the denominator. Divided by what is 3 factorial? 3 into 2 into 1 and the same. So this gets cancelled and the answer will be 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 is 6. Keep this as such. Okay. Let me name it as 1. Now find NC3. N factorial divided by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. So how to write this n factorial? N into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 is here. So no need to go forward. You can stop with this and put factorial as we have the same in the denominator. So 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 into n minus 3 factorial. So this gets cancelled. So remaining it will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 6. So keep this as 2. So we are going to substitute 1 and 2 in this A part. So substitute 1 and 2 in A. So instead of 2nc3, you can substitute 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 divided by 6 divided by what is nc3? It is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 6 equal to 12 by 1. Now, here both we have denominator 6. So, the denominator 6 automatically gets cancelled. So, remaining we have 2n into 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 divided by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 equal to 12 by 1. Now, this 2n minus 2, from this we can take 2 as common. Okay. So, we have 2n minus 1. Here you can take 2 as common. So, if you take 2 as common, the remaining will be n minus 1. Here you have n minus 1, n minus 2. So what gets cancelled now? This n gets cancelled and n minus 1 gets cancelled. So what will be remaining? 2 into 2, 4 into 2n minus 1. In the denominator will be having n minus 2 which is equal to 12 by 1. So now just cross multiply. Okay. So 1 into 4 into 2n minus 1 is 4 into 2n minus 1 equal to 12 into n minus 2. So 4 into 2 it is 8n minus 4 equal to 12 into n is 12n minus 12 into 2 24. Okay. So this 12n is bigger. So I'm just changing the sides as such. 12n minus 24 equal to 8n minus 4. Okay. Just changing the sides as such. So now keep the n part in the left hand side. 12n. This plus 8n will become minus 8n. Take the remaining constant part to left hand side. 4 is there. Already we have minus 4 here. This minus 24 will become plus 24. So what is 12n minus 8n? 12n minus 8n is 4n. 24 minus 4 is 20. So n is equal to 20. This 4 is in multiplication. It will come to division. So 20 by 4 is 5. So n is equal to 5. So this is the answer. Clear, children? Yeah. So moving on to the second part. Second part is also same type. Here the difference is instead of 12 is to 1, they gave 11 is to 1. The same procedure we need to follow. So this ratio is nothing but 2nc3 divided by nc3 equal to 11 by 1. So keep this as A. First in the same way we have to find 2nc3. What is that? It is 2n factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial. So you can write 2n factorial as 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial. Divided by 3 factorial is 6 into 2n minus 3 factorial. This gets cancelled and the answer will be 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 divided by 6. Now just note that I am not cancelling this 2 and 6 because it gets automatically cancelled when I substitute in this A part. So I am keeping this as such. Now what is NC3? N factorial divided by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. So how to write n factorial? N into n minus 1, n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial is 6 into n minus 3 factorial. So cancelling out, we get n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 6. So keep this as 1, keep this as 2. Same as the previous problem, substitute 1 and 2 in A. So instead of 2nc3, we should substitute this. So we have 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 divided by 6. So instead of NC3, we should substitute this second part. So it is n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 6. On the right hand side, we have 11 by 1. Now here, in both numerator and denominator, we have by 6. This by 6 gets cancelled. So remaining we will be having 2n into 2n minus 1. Here you have 2n minus 2. In this 2 can be taken outside. So if you take 2 common outside, it will be as n minus 1. So in the denominator we have n minus 1. So it gets cancelled. So in the denominator it is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 equal to 11 by 1. So this n gets cancelled, n minus 1 gets cancelled. So 2 into 2, 4 into 2n minus 1 divided by n minus 2 equal to 11 by 1. So just cross multiply this. Okay, so if you cross multiply, it is 4 into 2n minus 1 equal to 11 into n minus 2. So 4 into 2, 8n minus 4 equal to 11 into n, 11n minus 11 into 2, 22. Just I am the same way exchanging right and left side. I am not doing any calculation, just changing it so that negative sign can be avoided. So keeping this n part on the same side, bringing this 8n to left hand side, plus 8n will become minus 8n equal to, you have the same minus 4 here. This minus 22, when I bring this to right side, it will become plus 22. So 11 minus 8 is 3n. 22 minus 4 is 18. So n will be equal to 18. This 3 is in product, so it will come to division. So 18 by 3 is 6. So n will be equal to 6. So for this ratio, the n value is 6. Clear, children? Yeah. So moving on to the third one. How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? Okay. So we have to find out how many chords through 21 points on a circle. So what is a chord? A chord is a line joining two points in the circumference of a circle. It doesn't pass through the center of the circle. If it passes through the center of the circle, it is called the diameter. So diameter is the largest chord. Okay. So this chord doesn't pass through the center. So let us name this as A, B. Okay. A chord is the line passing through 2 points in a circle. So the largest card is the diameter. Okay. Now, what are the things we have? We have number of points. So number of points equal to 21. So totally we have 21 points here. So we can have 21 points in the circle. Okay. So n is equal to 21. So how a chord is drawn? A chord is drawn using 2 points. So R will be equal to 2. So therefore, number of chords from 21 points equal to NCR, which is 21C2. This will give the number of chords that can be drawn through 21 points. Very simple. So it is 21 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 21 minus 2 factorial. So 21 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 21 minus 2 is 19 factorial. So which is equal to, how can you write 21? This 21 into 20 into 19 comes here. So stop with it and put factorial because we have 19 factorial in the denominator. So what is 2 factorial? 2 into 1 into 19 factorial. This gets cancelled and 2 and 20. 1 2s are 2. This is 10 2s are 20. So we have 21 into 10 which is equal to 210. So number of chords from 21 points equal to 210. So 210 chords can be drawn from 21 points. Okay children, clear? So moving on to the fourth one. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? Usually in combination we have the word selected, choosing. Okay. Permutation means it is arranging. Okay. Here just it is choosing. Okay. We have to choose 3 boys from 5 boys, 3 girls from 4 girls. Okay. So let me start the solution. First, we will form the tabular column. Okay. So, for this, we will have a tabular column. The category. What is the category? Boys, girls. So, what is the total number of boys and total number of girls? So, total number of girls and boys are this one. So, totally we have 5 boys and girls is in total we have 4 girls. So, totally you have 9. Okay. Number to be chosen. So from these 5 boys, how many boys to be chosen? 3 boys. From these 4 girls, you have to choose 3 girls. So number of ways to be chosen is NCR. So it is 5, C, 3. So this is N and this is R. Okay. So this is 4, C, 3. So what will be the total number of ways? Total number of ways to be chosen is you have to multiply both this. 5C3 into 4C3. What is 5C3? 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 factorial into 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial. So how to write this 5 factorial? Wait. We have another one. It is 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 4 minus 3 is 1 factorial. Now, how to write this 5 factorial? It is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Instead of 3 into 2 into 1, we can write 3 factorial as we have 3 factorial in the denominator. This 2 factorial is 2 into 1 into, how to write 4 factorial? 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 1 factorial is 1. Now 3 factorial gets cancelled here. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 10. Here also 3 factorial gets cancelled. So it is 5 into 2 into 4. So 5 2s are 10, 10 into 4, 40. So the answer is 40. Okay. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected? So the answer is 40. Okay. Clear? So in this way, you can form a tabular column and easily find out the answer. Moving on to the fifth one. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls if each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. Okay. So we have to choose 9 balls. This 9 ball is split into 3, 3, 3. So 9 is split into 3, 3, 3. Okay, 3, 3. So 9. So we should choose 3 red ball, 3 white ball and 3 blue ball from the total here. Okay. So let me frame the tabular column. So the categories are red, white, blue. So how many total red balls? It is 6. How many total white balls? It is 5. How many total blue balls? It is also 5. So totally we have 16 balls. So from red ball, we have to choose 3. From white ball, we have to choose 3. From blue ball also, you have to choose 3. So this is N and this is R. So number of ways to be chosen. So number of ways to choose red color is out of 6, we have to choose 3. Out of 5, we have to choose 3 white balls. Out of 5 blue balls, we have to choose 3 blue balls. This is the target. Okay. Here, the total should be 9. Okay. So we have to choose 9 balls. The total is 9 here. So let me frame the yes. Total number of ways to be chosen. So total number of ways is we have to multiply all these. 6C3 into 5C3 into 5C3. So what is 6C3? 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 factorial into 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 factorial into 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 factorial. Okay. So 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 is 3 factorial into 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial. This is also the same. So writing as such. How to write the 6 factorial? It can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial because we have 3 factorial in the denominator. So 1 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 into 6. 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. So into 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into you have 3 factorial. So write it as such divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial which is equal to, so this 3 factorial gets cancelled. So 3 2s are 6 here, 2 and gets cancelled. So you have 5 into 4. So first part it is 5 into 4. Next 3 factorial gets cancelled and 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 5 into 2 into here also 3 factorial gets cancelled. 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 5 2s are 10. So 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. So 20 into 10, 200, 200 into 10 is 2000 ways. So there are 2000 ways of choosing this condition. Clear children? So moving on to the sixth one. Here it is about cards. Determine the number of 5 card combination out of a deck of 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in each combination. Okay, we have to form a combination of 5 cards. Okay, in this 5 card, one card should be ace. and 4 can be others. Okay. So how many ace cards do we have? So in total, you have 52 cards. Number of ace cards is 4. This is the ace card. There are 4 shapes. These are the 4 shapes of ace cards. So from the 4 ace cards, for each combination, we have to choose one ace. Clear, children? Understood? So let us get into the problem. Yes. So the category is A's and other cards. How many A's cards we had? It is 4. The remaining all other cards. So in total you have 52 cards. In 52, 4 are A's. So 52 minus 4 is 48 is the other cards. How many to be chosen? So from 4 ace cards, we have to choose one ace for each combination. So there should be in total 5. 1 plus 4 is 5 combinations. Okay, 5 combinations. In that, one should be ace and others should be 4 cards. Okay, so from ace cards, we have to choose one card. From the remaining 48 cards, what we have to choose? How many have to choose? We have to choose 4. So in total, we will be choosing 5 cards. Okay. So this is N and R. So number of ways to be chosen is NCR. For choosing ace cards from 4 cards, we will be choosing 1. From 48 cards, we will be choosing 4 cards. So what will be the total number of ways? As usual, we have to multiply both this. So it is 4C1 into 48C4 will give the number of ways of choosing 5 chord combinations out of a deck of 52 cards with one ace in each combination. Okay. So what is 4C1? 4C1 is 4 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 4 minus 1 factorial into what is 48C4? 48 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 48 minus 4 factorial. So 4 factorial, 1 factorial is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3 factorial into 48 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 48 minus 4 is 44 factorial. So how to write 4 factorial? It is 4 into, start with 3, 3 factorial as we have 3 factorial in the denominator. So it is 1 into 3 factorial into 48 factorial. 48 into 47 into 46 into 45 into 44 factorial. As we have 44 in the denominator, we start with 44 factorial. So 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 44 factorial. This 44 factorial gets cancelled and now we have these numbers. So how to cancel this? It is 1 fours and 12 fours are 48. Then again 1 threes, 4 threes are 12. Again 1 twos and 2 twos are 4. So here 3 factorial gets cancelled. So the remaining will be 4 into 2 into 47 into 46 into 45. Okay, all denominators are cancelled out. So if you multiply all this, you will get the answer as 778,320. Okay. So just multiply it slowly, you will get this answer. Okay. Next problem. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players in which only 5 players can bowl? If each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers. Okay. So totally we have 17 players. In this 17 players, 5 players are bowlers. Remaining are batsman, wicket keeper. Okay. So we have to choose a cricket team of 11. So we have to choose 11 persons. In this 11 person, 4 should be bowlers. So what are the data given? So in total data, they have given 17 players. In this 17 players, 5 are bowlers. Okay, 5 are bowlers. Okay, remaining 12 will be other players, batsman, wicket keepers, others. What we have to choose? We have to choose 11 players. How these 11 players should be? In this 11 players, we have to choose 4 bowlers. So in this 5 bowlers, we have to choose 4 bowlers. Remaining, we have to choose from others. So we have to choose 11 players. So 11 minus 4, we have to choose 7 players from this 12. So in total, this will give you 11. Okay. So this is the way we have to choose. Now we can write this using tables. Yes. So it is the category is bowler and other players. So in total, how many bowlers are there? In total, you have 5 bowlers. Okay. So totally there are 17 players. So totally you have 17 players. So other players will be 17 minus 5. It is 12. Okay. How many players to be chosen? We have to choose how many players? We have to choose 11 players. In that, how many are bowlers? 4 should be bowlers. Okay. So remaining, what is 11 minus 4? Is 11 minus 4? Yes, it is 7. Yes. So we have to choose 7 other players. Okay. So number of bowlers to be chosen, we found it, and number of other players. So not number of bowlers, others also should be chosen here. So number to be chosen is 4 and 7. So number of ways to be chosen. It is out of 5 for bowlers. Out of 5 we have to choose 4 bowlers. Then out of 12 we have to choose 7. So what is the total number of ways to be chosen? It is 5C4 into 12C7. Okay, we have to find out this answer. Yes. Total number of ways to be chosen is 5C4 into 12C7. So 5C4 can be written as 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 5 minus 4 factorial into what is 12C7? 12 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 12 minus 7 factorial. So 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial. 5 minus 4 is 1 factorial into 12 factorial divided by 7 factorial. 12 minus 7 is 5 factorial. So this 5 factorial and this 5 factorial automatically gets cancelled. So you have 1 divided by 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and this 1 factorial is 1 into 12 factorial can be written as 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. As we have 7 factorial, you can write stop with that. So this 7 factorial gets cancelled, and 1 fours are 4, 3 fours are 12. So 3 gets cancelled. Next 2. 2 and 10. 5. Okay, so all the denominators are cancelled. In the numerator we have 11 into 5 into 9 into 8. Okay, so just you can round it off using 5 and 8. 5 eights are 40. 40 into 11, 440. So this is over. Next we have to do 9 into 9. So 0 nines are 0, 9 fours are 36, 9 fours are 36 plus 3 is 39. So it is 3960. This is the answer. Clear, children? So just frame the tabular column. You can easily find out the answer. Okay. So moving on to the next one. This is same as previous. A bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. Now let us frame the same tabular column. I'm sorry. Yes. This is the category. What are the categories you have? Black ball and red ball. We have to choose two black ball and three red balls. So how many black balls are there in total? In total we have 5 black. How many total red balls? 6. So what is 5 plus 6? It is 11. Number of balls to be chosen. How many black balls? It is 2 black balls. How many red balls? 3 red balls to be chosen. So in total we have to choose 5. So number of ways to be chosen. It is nothing but out of 5, 2. Out of 6, 3. So total you have 5C2 into 6C3. So now we have to calculate this product. Yes, number of ways to be chosen equal to 5C2 into 6C3. Okay. So what is 5C2? 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 5 minus 2 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 factorial. So 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial is 2 into 1. 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. 6 minus 3 is 3 factorial. So 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3. Stop with that. Okay, as we have here 3 factorial divided by 2 into 1 into 3 factorial into 6 factorial. 6 into 5 into 4 into, stop with this 3 as we have the factorial for 3. Divided by 3 into 2 into 1 is 6 into 3 factorial. Okay. Now cancelling out this 3 factorial and this 2 and now 3 factorial and this 6. So it is 5 into 2 10 into 5 into 4 20. So it is 200. Very simple, isn't it? So there are 200 ways of choosing 2 black ball and 3 red balls. Clear, children? Moving on to the last problem. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available and 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student? So, you have 9 courses. In these 9 courses, 2 courses are compulsory. So, they have to choose these 2 courses compulsorily. But how many programs they have to choose? They have to choose 5 courses. So, in that 2 are compulsory. So, they have to choose from others. They have to choose 3. Okay. Now, if we frame the tabular column, it will be easy. So, the courses can be classified as compulsory courses and other courses. How many compulsory courses are there? If 9 courses are available and 2 specific courses are compulsory. There are 2 courses which are compulsory. Okay. These 2 courses, as they are compulsory, they have to be chosen. These 2 courses must be chosen. Both the courses should be chosen. So in total, how many courses are there? In total, they have 9 courses. In this, 2 are compulsory. The other courses remaining will be 9 minus 2, which is 7. Okay. How many courses we have to choose? We have to choose these compulsory courses. So all these should be chosen. In total, we have to choose how many courses? In total, we have to choose 5. So these are the total values. So other courses to be chosen will be 5 minus 2. It should be 3. So this is N and this is R. So total number of ways, it is 2C2. This is 7C3. So 2C2 into 7C3 is the total number of ways to be chosen. So let us calculate it. 2C2 into 7C3. What is 2C2? 2C2 is 1. Or you can check it. 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 minus 2 factorial. What is 7C3? 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 7 minus 3 factorial. So 2 factorial and 2 factorial gets cancelled. So in numerator you have 1. 2 minus 2 is 0 factorial. Into 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 7 minus 3 is 4 factorial. So what is 0 factorial? 0 factorial is 1 into, how can you write 7 factorial? 7 into 5 into, not 7 into 5, I missed 6. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. As we have 4, choose the bigger number so that it gets cancelled. More numbers will be cancelled. Okay. 3 factorial into 4 factorial. So 4 factorial gets cancelled. What is 3 factorial? 3 factorial is 6. 3 into 2 into 1 is 3 factorial. So 3 factorial and 6 gets cancelled. So we have 7 into 5, which is 35 ways. So in 35 ways, these courses can be chosen. Okay, clear? I hope you can understand all the problems clearly, and I hope I have explained all the concepts clearly. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, you can comment. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and just do a favor to me. Just subscribe to my channel and put a like button. Okay. Thank you.